Hi, Tora, Tora, Tora. Are you my good kitty? Yeah. Well, I gave you tons and tons of treats. This is what happens when you can't, when it's raining and you want the...
We're all about influencing, but we're not financial advisors influencing your money knowledge.
Like how girls are often taught to think.
Sorry about that. The computer started talking. It's raining, so we want the kitty cat to stay in the house. Don't we, Tora? Don't we? Well, we got rain. It's raining out there. Here we go. I think I'll fry up some bacon and heat up some soup. And then I'll sit down and... Sorry, the stove is dirty again. I'll clean it later. I have very little space in this kitchen. The one and only cupboard. And I'm not using the top shelf because I can't reach it without a ladder. I'll put something up there in the way of storage. Not food. If you put food up high, especially in the kitchen, it gets hot and it spoils. I handy dandy over the sink dish drainer. Saves a little space. That's all my coffee supplies and a few things that I want to have handy, like bottle brushes and such. Oh, and of course my pure water filter pitcher. They don't give me any money, but I like the Pure brand, P-U-R. And this mess will get cleaned up when I get my shelves put in on the walls, and then I'll have underneath all this stuff is a nice wooden cutting board type top of a portable cabinet. It's on wheels, but I can't move it. Has a nice towel rack. Anyway, it's freaking raining. It's cold and wet out there. And my house is still a mess, and all the things I was going to put outside in the shed are still in here. And there's Tora claiming her heating pad on her desk chair. And way down there on the shelf is my candy corn and a box of crackers. Well, sometimes that's breakfast, but today I might make some real food. At least a bowl of cereal. But the main reason I wanted to come on this morning is that it turns out that the budget reconciliation package that's in the House right now severely cuts aid to historically black colleges. All of them put together, not each, but all of them in a big pool of money, last year got $47 billion. It sounds like a lot, but it isn't much when divided among, I think it's like over 100, maybe more, historically black colleges. Even that full amount is peanuts compared to the endowments that Yale has or that Harvard has for one college, one university. Well, guess what? This year, in the reconciliation package, all of them put together, not each, but all of them together, get $2 billion. If that isn't racist, I don't know what is. And on top of that, it's raining. And I didn't get much sleep. All this stuff worries me. I need a curtain for that window, don't I? Okay. The door has a sheet of wallpaper stapled to it while I look for curtains and curtain rods. Have a little tiny closet here for brooms and such. Well, it looks black on this image, but it's really kind of light colored. Just no light on it. A refrigerator with some of my favorite jokes pasted on it. That's about it. Except that it's a rainy day, so maybe I'll make some hot cocoa with marshmallows and some bacon. Oh, I still have Ovaltine. Yeah, chocolate flavored Ovaltine. That and bacon used to be my go-to breakfast when I was young and foolish. But today it sounds good. So I'll catch you guys later. Maybe. At least on Tuesday morning around 8 a.m. Pacific. Thanks for watching. And Tora says meow. She's turned her back on you and on me. Okay. Thanks, everyone. Bye.